cool icebreaker, and I think maybe it's out of. So, what are network APIs? Do you know that? Yes or no? No. Okay. So I assume that you know what are network APIs. Are we okay on that? Yes. Okay, great. So no need to broadcast the video. Everyone knows. Let's go. Alexandru.
Okay. Yeah. So obviously, if everyone knows Orange APIs, then we can skip the video. In fact, what we wanted to kind of share with you, with Alexandre, is the fact that we have observed the market, and we have also learned from experience from 2024, and also even from 2022 when the Chimera initiative was launched, is that we have been standardizing more and more APIs. And if we go to the next slide, we're showing that we have different APIs in different, let's say, in different families, and especially also in different types of development phases. So we have APIs that we have in production. We also have APIs that we have in our sandbox, and also we have APIs in Playground. It's also learning by doing. So for now, we did open up these APIs in some of the countries, and also when it comes to the distribution of the APIs, we are also looking into partnerships. So these are important ones because this is how we can drive the go-to-market as well. And this is just kind of a brief, some numbers, but they're actually showing the fact that we're not alone in this area. Also, other operators are also positioning themselves, and they're opening more APIs in production as well. You wanted to say something, Alexandre?
Yes. Yes, as you said before, we talked with a lot of businesses, a lot of people from various industry, and the idea of the next slide is to share with you our vision of the market. Okay. Regarding identity and fraud prevention, we talked with financial services, we talked with a big brand of internet like Google, with CPaaS and with C2C platform, and obviously each industry faces different challenges. And so when you talk to somebody who's working in the financial services, the main problem for them is to contain what we call phishing. Phishing is when a fake banker calls real customers to scam them thanks to social engineering. Big brands, they are continuously trying to improve their customer journey, their user journey. So that's why they are interesting to work with. And the platform, I don't know, Le Bon Coin or Vinted, they are really interested in how to protect the privacy of their user. For example, to illustrate that point, we developed a POC, a proof of concept, with Nomadia, so that delivery drivers can communicate with a customer without sharing their mobile phone number. Okay, that's a way to protect the privacy of both parts. So what does it say about our roadmap or vision of the topic that are really interesting for us and for the market? The first topic is scam fighting. We are really interested in Scam Signal API, which allows to prevent phishing. We look as well to the call forwarding signal, which is a kind of little sister of Scam Signal, and can support the kind of solution we can bring to the market. The big topic, in fact, is this one. It's account protection. Account protection is here to see how we can streamline onboarding processes, how we can streamline, we'll say, every user journey without compromising security, and even when we can, improving security. So to escape the trap of having to choose between the security and the user journey. That's why we released it in 25, number verification, SIM swap, and forget KYC match, as well as device swap. And we will release soon a new one, which is called KYC tenure, which allows to see how old is a mobile line. And we are really interested as well to location APIs in 26. And the last topic of our portfolio is user privacy protection. So we released an API which is called alias number. Alias numbers, there's an S at the end. Alias numbers is a way to create a temporary mobile phone number on the fly so that you can protect the privacy or the mobile phone number of both parts, the caller and the recipient. Okay? So 3 topics to deep dive in 26 with this kind of, I would say, recipe of API. Okay?
Yeah, so those are the market perspectives, and also I would say the different product approaches from the identity and anti-fraud. When it comes to the network as a service, where Orange is positioning themselves also as a connectivity supplier, what we have learned by engaging with different customers and also with different partners is that enterprises really want to consume the service, but they want to consume it when they want. So that's why what we're thinking about that we'll be launching in 2026 is a way of interacting from the applications all the way to the connectivity side. So if you go to the next slide, it's kind of our vision of proposing our network as a unified platform that can be consumed as a cloud service. So we have the application ecosystem that can be either from the macro scale, but also from the localized ecosystem. And then there are different types of connectivity that a customer can have. So we're relying on the public networks, private networks. We're also relying on the IoT network and also on the compute side, also with some of the networks that the customer might have when it comes to Wi-Fi or SD-WAN, but also some of the connectivity that he already has in place and it has not been provided by Orange. So what we're proposing is kind of this platform that aggregates all this necessary ingredients so that we can feed the applications. And definitely this is a wide range of different APIs. So we have device swap, we have connectivity inside, we have, and I think if we kind of go into all these details, we're going to see that these are capabilities that we want to put in the market so that applications can consume them. And this is a unified platform where applications will be talking directly to the underneath connectivity. And this is something that we are very proud to announce to be launched in 2026 in the French market.
So, have you got any question? No? I don't know, but I'm not surprised.
So network APIs are no longer like a niche subject. It seems that everyone kind of understands what these APIs are about.
So if you want to enjoy the possibility of our networks, I invite you to go to the next room. So that's only for the video. And enjoy the demo of our colleague. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.